In this video, we're going to look at a few industrial tools, but we are also going to look at a few smaller tools that will make you a legend on any construction site or workshop. The first tool we're going to look at today is from Trend Technologies. It is a small but indeed a mighty little tool that will be handy in every house. This tool is called the Trend Inflatable Wedge. This tool is ideal for installing doors, cabinets, appliances and windows. It is the perfect tool to fit, protect, hold and separate. It features reinforced high-frequency welded edges for durability and long life. It has a latex pump with a metal valve for durability and ease of use. The inflatable wedges make it easy to remove, repair and hang heavy doors. Another great feature of the inflatable wedge, when you use it, it will leave no marks and it will quickly and easily level appliances on uneven surfaces. The tool has got a high load capacity of up to 300 pounds. It is thin and versatile for multiple applications. Practical and convenient inflation properties suitable for domestic and commercial use, and is ideal for separating appliances. The next tool we're going to look at is not so much a DIY tool, but it will indeed be a very handy tool for construction workers that need to lay floor tiles on a large open surface. The tool is called the ProBust FlexGuam MFXM30. These vacuum tile laying machines will reduce the risk of injury to construction workers on site, and it will also increase productivity. This professional piece of equipment was designed in Germany and it helps you to carry and lift heavy tiles. The vacuum suction cups provide gentle operation and reduce the risk of damage on any of the tiles. A very important advantage is to move the slab from a horizontal to vertical position. The large tiles can be released either by operating the release device on the suction plate or by switching off the vacuum pump. This device is so easy to operate, it can easily be operated by a single construction worker. While the tile is being coated, the device can be secured against rolling away by means of a lock on one of the casters. It has a battery-powered vacuum. The pump unit generates the negative pressure required for safe handling, even with textured surfaces. It has a nanometer and suction force indicator, a battery charging indicator. One battery charge supplies the vacuum pump reliability for several days without recharging. Our next tool is from Italy and it's called a Raimondi Lift Top Plus. It is designed to level, align and move bathroom and kitchen countertops. During installation, it is suitable for both flat and cornered installations. The perfect flatness of the countertop section is achieved thanks to the vertical adjustment of the 4 feet. All adjustments can be achieved either on slabs horizontally or vertically. Thanks to the vacuum device, the grip can be restored without removing the suction cups from the slab, to grant a consistent support during the maturing of a bonding agent. Here we have a product from HTS and it's called the EcoSkate Rotoflex. This is a heavy-duty 360-degree load-moving system for professional indoor heavy load transport on clean, smooth and level floors. It is multifunctional and flexible. Due to the ability to block the wheel boxes with pins, it can be used like a fixed or rear skate equipped with additional turntables. It forms a safe overall system with various load points depending on the model. It has individually rotatable high-quality HTS nylon wheels, anti-slip rubber pad, and attachment for aligning bars and pulling bars in various versions. Here we have the Pipe Cut Mini from Rothenberger. The Pipe Cut Mini easily handles all materials used in plumbing and heating sector, from copper pipes to mounting rails to decorative panels. No matter in which application and with which material, this handy cordless combination cuts are always precisely and at the right angle. Even cabled duct profiles and mounting rails are no problem. For particularly small pipes, for example threaded rods, the Pipe Cut Mini has a special note in the front. Insert clamp, cut, done. Whether you are stationary in the workshop or in mobile use on the construction site, the combination Pipe Cut Mini sets up quickly anywhere and ready to work. What's more, it's not only compact, flexible and easy to handle, it also has a particularly powerful, maintenance-free brushless motor. It ensures high quality working efficiently with long battery life. The low thermal load on the motor also gives the Pipe Cut Mini long service life. The famous toolmaker Milwaukee has come up with another incredible tool. It is called the M12 Fuel Compact Bandsaw. The M12 Fuel Compact Bandsaw utilizes the Power State brushless motor and constant power technology from Milwaukee, making it the fastest cutting compact bandsaw with a cut capacity of 2.5 by 2.5 inches. This M12 Fuel Compact Bandsaw offers a compact design and weighs only 6 pounds, making it the lightest compact bandsaw on the market. It offers integrated blade covers, making it suitable for one-handed use, while offering a larger capacity than the existing subcompact bandsaws. An integrated rafter hook allows easy storage in between cuts. The improved performance, lightweight design, one-handed capability and increased capacity enhances your productivity while offering lower fatigue. A variable speed trigger and an LED work light provides maximum control. The compact portable bandsaw is equipped with a job site armor technology, a proprietary composite material to better protect from drops, debris and a crush zone barrier to absorb from impact. If you've got seized nuts, bolts or other fasteners, you can free them all with this induction heat tool. It produces a constant flameless heat source that generated by high-powered induction magnetic fields in ferrous materials. The flameless high heating process means it's safer and easy to control and works a lot faster than conventional gas torches. And unlike gas torches, the heat is confined to the fixing instead of spreading to other areas around it. And this minimizes damages to seals, gaskets and other surrounding materials. Because it's portable and lightweight, it's really an easy tool to use on any position. So you can use it on components attached or removed from vehicles. So why struggle with gas cylinders? Take the easier option, use the Draper induction heat tool. Now we're getting to my favorite part, demolishing. This company has reinvented the crowbar. This tool will help you with demolishing and dismantling jobs of all kinds. This custom demo bar has a unique bend in the handle and lifting plate, which ensures every ounce of energy you put into your job destroys what's in front of you. This tool will for sure put you in the lead of every demolishing job. This company has taken demolishing and removing tiles to the next level. This is the Eddy Tile Breaker. This powerful tool allows you to remove tiles at 3,600 impacts per minute. Even the most robust tiles don't stand a chance against the Eddy Tile Breaker. The setup is quick and easy. Unfold the handle, grease and install any of the 3 chisels, adjust the correct angle and start to work. This Eddy Tile Breaker has got a unique design that allows you to safely and comfortably remove all ceramic and porcelain tiles. The results are impressive and leaves a smooth and even surface ready for the next installation. Okay everyone, that's all the tools for this video. If you're still watching up to this point, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing and like this video, and we will see you in the next one.